And last but not least, the fourth column, all beginning with the pinky, are going to be played on each string, different string of the 6-string guitars. So I'll start on the 6th string with the first one. Okay, let me do that again with a metronome. And again, you could take the first one and do it 4 times on all 6 strings, just to reinforce it. It's a real knuckle breaker to do some of these, which are so foreign and so new. 4 times per string, and then on the next string, 4 times on the next string, because it's going to take a while for the neural pathways to be developed, to be created. Here we go with the 4th column and last time through. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, I hope this gives you a new challenge in your finger independence. Good luck.